That was an okay solve.
Seriously? Another 3x3? I just don't get it. Why are you wasting so much money on these 3x3s?
Well, because they have new technology in it. It makes me...
Technology! What is the difference between this piece of garbage compared to this? They are the exact same.
Look, this one can turn magnetically, you can do finger tricks, you can do embers smoothly, and all the slice moves. However, on this cube, finger tricks are a lot harder, and product cutting does not exist at all. Also, any slice moves on this cube are way harder than on this.
Okay, fine, I see your point. But then what about this? Oh, and this. And this. And this. And this.
Well, you're not gonna find the cube that you like and main on your first try, probably. Like, for example, the brick cube is too pillared for my liking. The next cube has no magnets. The carbon fiber cube has a weird texture. This cube is too... doesn't turn as well. This cube is too tiny, has the wrong color scheme, and pops really easily. Then I found the X-Man Tornado V2. Perfect for my liking.
You cubers waste too much money.